Hi, I'm Kimani. I am one of the lucky generations to watch television. Television exposes people to news, information and knowledge. Information and knowledge is power.
The future of the country will be in the hands of our young people. The better we educate and motivate them, the better the future of Swaziland.
The human condition today is better than it's ever been in the past, and television is one of the reasons for that. People live happier lives and have more knowledge and information. All this is a result of television.
Hospitals should be designed to be more friendly and certainly more like home.
Mabonakudze usigcinela emasiko kuze endlulele nasetuleni letitako. Long live the spirit of television.
I believe good television can make the world a better place.
Pay your TV license.
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 Bhadala umthelo wamabonakudze.
You can now pay your TV license at the following pay points. Any nearby post office in Swaziland, you can come to Swazi TV offices at Hospital Hill in Mbabane or pay online by internet banking on our Netbank account. After payment, attach your personal details and account number, then fax your proof of payment to 2404-2093. For more information, go to www.swazitv.co.za or contact us on the details on your screen. Swazi TV license, one less thing to worry about.